How to rebook flight in Qatar Airways. Now in this video, I'm gonna help you rebook the current flight that you booked using Qatar Airways official website or via their application. Now the whole process is gonna be the same if you're gonna be using the app. So on this video, I'm show you the web version of Qatar Airways. Now head straight into their official site by qatarairways.com, and this is gonna be your home screen. Now, you do not need to log in or to create an account for you to change or to modify the current itinerary that you have confirmed on Qatar Airways. So from here, you should be able to see these options. To rebook the flight, just simply choose on manage/check-in, and then you will be asked to input your booking reference and as well as the last name of the specific ticket that you have. Now, once you've obtained those, it is actually visible on your itinerary. All those details will be there. Type it in and then choose on Retrieve Booking. Now, once you've access Manage Booking, you should be able to see Rebook Flight on a specific date available depending on your decision. Other ways of interacting with their support is to click this option here that says Need Help, and then on the box type in rebook flight. Now, if you wish to speak to a live representative on this website here on rebooking your ticket, is you can type in yes so that you will be catered out into a live representative. And that's basically it. That is how you rebook flight in Qatar Airways.